Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can fix Bigo Live verification code not received on your mobile phone. So in order to fix this, what we can do is first go ahead and open up Bigo Live application. Now you'll be appear with the login homepage of Bigo Live. Now what you have to do is tap on sign in with phone. Now let's say you have forgotten your password and here is the option given for you to log in via a verification code. Now let's wait for a minute and let's say we haven't received the verification code. So now what we do is again tap on send. Doing so will help you send the verification code or receive the verification code on your phone number. Now if you tap and send again and you haven't received your verification code yet, then you'll have to wait for a second to the send option to pop up again. So wait for a few seconds again. Now doing so will help you receive your verification code and you can just use your verification code that you have received. And if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.